How to remove suggested on Messenger on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messenger application on your iPhone. Tap the search bar at the top left corner, then tap on the suggested icon. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap the settings icon. From the settings menu, scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. Here, tap Hidden Contacts. This lets you hide people from your suggested contacts list. Tap Add in the top right corner to bring up your contact list. Now, select the person you wish to remove from your suggestions. A confirmation screen will appear. Tap Hide Contact at the bottom to proceed. To stop all contact syncing, return to Settings and open the Account Center. Tap your information and permissions, then select Upload Contacts. Choose your Messenger account from the list to manage its settings. Tap the toggle to turn off the Upload Contacts feature. Confirm by tapping Turn Off on the pop-up screen. Following these steps, you can easily remove suggested on Messenger on an iPhone.